Hi guys, this is Rubel Ahmed. Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a sticky header in your WordPress website. Hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Guys, hope you can see this is my client website. I have just started to design. This is not design, actually redesign of this website. And there are 5 pages in this website. I have already completed 3 of them and yet to complete 2 more pages. So in this video, my client is uh, asking me for a sticky header of his website. That is why I have decided that I shall make a video so that you guys can be helpful from this tutorial. For adding a sticky header, first of all, I have to say that I am using Elementor and Elementor Pro. So I will make this sticky header by using Elementor. For doing this, I am going to navigate into the dashboard and will click here, template, then theme builder, because this is header and I have made this header from theme builder also. So I have to edit that theme builder option, and here is header, and this is my header which is active now. So I'm just going to edit that header. This is really very easy. Anyone can make a sticky header by using Elementor. If you guys follow this tutorial step by step, within a very short time you can make a sticky header for your first website. It's taking a little time. So this is my header, which you can see here. So I just click here middle of this container and then go to advanced and scroll to bottom and click on motion effect. Here you can find this option is sticky. There is none, so we shall make it top. That means I want this section to be sticky into the top. Okay, then I will just save it. And now if you navigate to the home page and refresh this page, this section will be sticky, I hope, if we didn't make any mistakes. Yeah, you can see this is sticky already, but it's not going to see well organized, because we have to give a background here now so that it looks nice. So let's do that. Okay, right click and then inspect. So this is our actually a section. So you can see here is a sticky section. Yeah, there is the sticky class has removed, but whenever we are going to scroll, yeah, it's adding again. Elementor is sticky active, so we are going to give a background color for this class. So that is Elementor sticky active background, this one, but not working. I just make it important. Okay, now it's working. You can see, yeah, we are expecting this behavior. So you can see there is no sticky, but whenever we are going to scroll, it's sticky to the top and click on the menu. Yeah, everything is working, but this background color I think not perfect, because this menu icon I can't see properly. So you can change this color as you want for your WordPress website or as your client expect. Okay, so I will just copy this code and we'll use here and then this CSS. I will copy this and I will use them here. I mean customizer. You can go here by clicking this customizer. So just paste here and publish. I hope this is going to work perfectly. Just refresh this page. Now I scroll. Yeah, it's working very nicely and perfectly what my client expected. Okay. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Anyone can do this by following this video tutorial step by step. So that's all actually for this tutorial. Hope this has been very useful tutorial for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel